Hey everyone, Midjourney 5.2 was released with a new zoom out feature, and I have about 4 or 5 tips to help you understand it a little better and help you get the most out of it.
Get ready to celebrate because the long-awaited moment has arrived. Midjourney version 5.2 v5.2 is here, and it's time to embrace the excitement. You have to see the all-new zoom out feature of Midjourney version 5.2. If you're passionate about unleashing your creativity, then you've come to the right place. Midjourney is one of the most sought-after tools for bringing your wildest imaginations to life, alongside the renowned DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. Here, your text prompts transform into mesmerizing, one-of-a-kind artworks. Midjourney opens up a realm of limitless possibilities, from dreamlike landscapes to fantastical creatures. Midjourney's latest 5.2 update has taken the AI world by storm, captivating users with its remarkable enhancements. Among the notable improvements is the ability to zoom out from images, which has generated substantial excitement. Midjourney v5.2 introduces a significant update packed with exciting features and improvements. Here's a breakdown of the notable additions: zoom out, outpainting, inpainting, improved remix, enhanced language processing, higher variation mode, and prompt analyzer. With the zoom out feature in Midjourney, you have the ability to expand the canvas of an upscaled image beyond its original proportions while maintaining the image's original resolution and aspect ratio. A video shared by Rowan Chung on Twitter showcases the incredible possibilities unlocked by Midjourney's zoom-out capability. However, to achieve a seamless and fluid zoom effect, a substantial number of images, around 30 to 60 per second, are still required, ensuring a smooth transition rather than a choppy one. Nick St. Pierre quickly explored and showcased the zoom feature in video format. He suggests utilizing the interpolative zoom functionality available in certain video editing software to minimize the number of images necessary for achieving a smooth zoom effect. Pierre later shared a comprehensive step-by-step guide on Twitter, providing valuable insights on maximizing the potential of this feature. By strategically adjusting the prompt and aspect ratio between generations, you can begin with an AI-generated close-up shot of a bee, introduce additional elements like flowers during the zoom-out, and continue expanding the composition. What sets Midjourney v5.2 apart is its unparalleled integration of the zoom-out feature with your artistic process. As you engage with the zooming capability, you have the freedom to modify the text prompt in real time, refining your artistic vision and exploring new creative possibilities. This dynamic interplay between your imagination and the AI's powerful algorithms opens up exciting avenues for experimentation and innovation. With Midjourney's zoom-out feature, you transcend the limitations of a single frame as your canvas expands to infinite dimensions. Immerse yourself in your artwork, zooming in to capture intricate details with remarkable precision and clarity. Matt Wolf recently shared a fascinating twist on Twitter, utilizing Midjourney 5.2's zoom feature to create dynamic backgrounds while keeping the subject fixed. The social media sphere is abuzz with excitement surrounding Midjourney, and it's easy to understand why. In fairness, this technique is a variation of outpainting, introduced in DALL-E in August 2022. Outpainting allows users to generate additional imagery around the original picture on a canvas. In the revolutionary inpainting function, a cutting-edge capability empowers artists and creators to transform images without the need to painstakingly redraw them from scratch. It's like having a magic wand that automatically fills in gaps and completes missing areas of a picture with stunning precision. Harnessing the power of sophisticated algorithms, the inpainting function takes your artwork to the next level. Whether you're starting from scratch or aiming to enhance unsatisfactory or missing parts, this incredible tool provides you with the means to bring your artistic ideals to life so that you can say goodbye to tedious manual redraws and welcome a world where imagination seamlessly blends with technology. While Midjourney's zoom feature maintains a similar number of pixels in the final AI artwork, DALL-E's outpainting goes a step further by increasing the resolution as it generates new content. This comparison highlights the distinct qualities and capabilities of each AI model, with Midjourney's zoom feature enabling captivating transformations of backgrounds while maintaining consistency in pixel count, while DALL-E's outpainting technique enhances resolution as it expands the composition. Midjourney's zoom out feature offers a whole new level of creative possibilities. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Upscale your image. Start by uploading your desired image to Midjourney. Once it's upscaled, you'll notice the appearance of the Zoom Out 2x and Zoom Out 1.5x buttons. Explore the Zoom Out options. Depending on your preference, you can choose to zoom out your image by 2 times or 1.5 times. Experiment with both to see which effect suits your vision best. These buttons enable you to expand the composition beyond its original boundaries. Adjust the proportions with Make Square. If you want to change the aspect ratio of your image to a square format, utilize the Make Square function. By clicking this button, you can transform your image's proportions accordingly. Remember that wide, landscape aspect ratios will be stretched vertically, while tall, portrait images will be horizontally stretched. Observe the emoji indicators. Next to the Make Square button, you'll find emoji symbols, horizontal and vertical, which provide visual cues regarding the expansion direction of the image. These images indicate whether the image will be expanded horizontally or vertically based on its initial proportions. Apply to Make Square to non-square images. The horizontal Make Square button will appear beneath images that are not originally square. Click this button to easily transform non-square images into a square format. To fine-tune the level of zoom out in Midjourney, you can utilize the Custom Zoom feature. Locate the Custom Zoom button. After upscaling an image, you will find the Custom Zoom button below it. This option allows you to have more control over the zoom level. Open the Custom Zoom window. By clicking the Custom Zoom button, a window will appear where you can input a new value for the zoom parameter. The range for this option is between 1 and 2. Adjust the zoom level. In the Custom Zoom window, enter the desired value for the zoom parameter. This value determines the extent of the zoom out effect. You can experiment with different values to achieve the desired outcome. If your image has a 1:1 aspect ratio, applying the Zoom 1 parameter might seem ineffective at first. However, something truly fascinating happens when you dive deeper and explore the Custom Zoom option. For non-square images, when you use Zoom 1 during Custom Zoom, Midjourney takes the reins. It analyzes your image, identifies the largest side, and extends the canvas to transform the zoomed-out version into a square, re-establishing that perfect 1:1 aspect ratio. This ingenious approach ensures a harmonious visual result that maintains the integrity of your original image. Modify the prompt. Midjourney v5.2 introduces an invaluable tool to enhance the user experience, the Prompt Analyzer. This feature empowers users by providing a deeper understanding of their prompts, allowing for the creation of more accurate and relevant visuals. One significant advantage of using Custom Zoom is that you can modify the prompt before the image is expanded. This gives you additional flexibility and control over the final result. Make any adjustments or refinements to the prompt to influence how the image is transformed during the zoom-out process. Another notable feature is how advanced the artificial intelligence side is, especially with respect to the communication part. Imagine an AI platform that can truly comprehend and transform your artistic vision into high-quality images. With the latest release of Midjourney v5.2, this is now a reality. This update takes a significant leap forward by enhancing its natural language processing capabilities, putting user intent and accurate prompt translation at the forefront. Midjourney v5.2 embraces the power of language, enabling a deeper understanding of user inputs. The platform goes beyond mere words and delves into the true meaning behind your prompts. This newfound comprehension ensures that the generated images closely align with your creative vision, creating a harmonious fusion of imagination and technology. Midjourney version 5.2 introduces a set of exciting new mini-tools designed to enhance your creative journey. These tools provide users with additional flexibility and options for producing diverse and imaginative photos that push the boundaries of artistic expression. One of the notable additions is the higher variety option, which offers an expanded range of creative possibilities. By switching to this mode, you unlock the ability to experiment with new aesthetics, vibrant color palettes, and innovative structural arrangements. The higher variety option allows you to stretch your imagination and explore uncharted territories of visual artistry. At present, Midjourney provides support for zoom out exclusively for generated images, while the feature is not available for uploaded ones. Nonetheless, don't fret. Numerous other tools are available that offer similar functionality. The zoom out feature in Midjourney v5.2 empowers you to embark on an artistic journey that transcends conventional boundaries. It invites you to break free from limitations and unlock your full artistic potential. With this feature, you can create intricate and captivating masterpieces that push the boundaries of creativity. We hope you guys will try it out soon. Feel free to ask in the comments section if you have any queries, and do not forget to tap the like button. We will be back with yet another relevant topic. Till then, it's goodbye.